Okay, the first transaction is what? Okay, as I said you, balance brought down will not come. The first transaction is sales. So sales, where it will come? It will come in trading account, that is cash sales. Okay, so sales, where it will appear now? Very important thing, it will appear over here. Okay, calling it as what? Buy sales. Okay, we have to underline it, we have to write cash sales, and we have to write what? Credit sales. Okay, so cash sales is how much? We have noted it down, that is 8,000. Clear? The next one is what? Debtors. So debtors will come where? It will come in debtors account, that is what? Cash received, because it is coming in cash book. Okay, so debtors account we have to write in debtors account by calling it as what? By cash received. Okay, so how much is the amount? Very important, 30,000. Okay, the next one is what? Creditors account. Creditors account is 40,000, so it will go in creditors account, cash given to creditors. Okay, so how we have to write it? Or cash paid to creditors. So we have to write like this way: to cash paid. Okay, so how much is the amount? That is 40,000. The next one is salary account, rent and wages. Okay, salary and rent we have to write it, but okay, yeah, salary will go into profit and loss account. Very important, we have to note down over here, this will be a part of trading account and this will be a part of profit and loss account. Clear with this, all of you? Okay, so we'll just jot it down. So this, the above part is trading account and the below part is for profit and loss account. Salary is an expense, so it will come over here to salary, that will be coming as what? 2,500. Next one is what? To rent, that is 1,500. Clear with this? The next transaction is what? Very important, wages. Wages will come where? In your trading account, which is expenses, to wages. Okay, so wages is how much? It is 7,000. Clear with this? Okay, the next one is trade expenses. So trade expenses is an expense, it will come in what? Profit and loss account. So we have to write over here, it will be coming in profit and loss account, trade expenses. So trade expenses is how much? It will be coming down to something 4,000. Clear with this? The next one is what? Purchases. This is cash purchase, so always purchases will come in trading account. Okay, the first thing we have to note it down over here is opening stock, and then comes what? Purchases. Purchases, there are two purchases, cash purchase and one is credit purchase. Okay, so we have noted over here, that is cash purchase. Okay, very important, cash purchase is how much? Over here, that is 3,000. So cash purchase is 3,000. Clear? Then we will take the outer column. Clear? Like this way, in similar fashion. Okay, then comes drawings. The drawings we will take it later on. Clear? Balance carried down, we have to take it to the balance sheet, closing balance. So cash will, closing balance will come in balance sheet, asset side. So cash in hand, that is how much? 1,000. Clear with this? The next information is with respect to your statement of affairs. That is what? Machinery will come in where? 30,000. Statement of affairs, opening and closing will go to what? Balance sheet. Very important. So machinery, opening will come over here, machinery, that is what? 30,000, and closing will go to balance sheet. But we have a transaction, that is adjustment for machinery, so I am writing in the inner column. The next one is furniture. So furniture will come, opening balance over here, that is furniture 6,000. Okay, and then one will be over here, we have to leave one line for adjustment, and then furniture. Okay, we have adjustment for this also, so that is what? How much? 6,000. I am writing in the inner column because of adjustment. Clear? The next one is debtors. Debtors is very important for you people. So debtors where all will come? As I said, debtors will come, opening debtors will come in statement of affairs. So debtors, that is 60,000. and it will come in debtors account also. Okay, opening debtors, so that will be called as to balance brought down, that is 60,000. The next one is debtors, that is okay, that is 15,000. I have done a mistake. So debtors is 15,000. Clear? I have to make over here 15,000. Over here also it is 15,000. Okay. Next one is your debtors. I have taken 15,000. Closing, where it will come? It will come over here by calling it as by balance carried down. Okay, that is how much? That will come down to 20,000. And then this closing balance will come where? It will come into the balance sheet. As I write it over here, that is debtors. Okay, but debtors account is having an adjustment, that is provision for doubtful debts, that is 20,000. Clear with this? Okay, the next one is what? Creditors. Creditors also same. Okay, creditors, where it will come? Opening will come over here, statement of affairs. Creditors account opening is 4,000. Okay, and creditors account opening will come where? By balance brought down. We have done in this 5 marks, 4,000. Okay, closing will come onto the other side, that is calling it as to balance brought down. Okay, so closing balance of creditors is how much? 5,000. Okay, so closing balance will come 5,000 over here. Okay, and then this closing balance will go one more effect where? In balance sheet, calling I have to write it as creditors. Okay, so creditors is how much? 5,000. Clear with this? Okay, the next one is what? Stock in trade. Stock in trade, where it will go? Very important, it will go into statement of affairs, stock in trade. Okay, so this is opening stock. So how much is stock in trade? Stock in trade opening is 12,000. Stock in trade opening is 12,000. Okay, very important, one more effect will go where? Opening stock, it will go over here also 12,000. And closing stock, where it will go? It will go on to the other side by closing stock. So closing stock is how much? That is 18,000. One more effect of closing stock will go where? It will go in balance sheet. Okay, so closing stock, that is what? 18,000. Clear with this? Now the first that we have to check with what? The depreciation. Okay, depreciation on machinery at 10%. So 10% of depreciation, how we have to do it? Less depreciation at 10%. It will come down to 3,000. So that will come down to how much? 27,000. And then this 3,000, where it will go? It is a expense for a company. It will go where? It will go into profit and loss account, calling it as to depreciation on machinery, that is 3,000. And one more depreciation is on furniture also. So less depreciation at 10%. So that will come down to 600. That will be coming down to 5,400. Only this depreciation amount we have to take. Where we have to take? We have to take in profit and loss account. So to depreciation on furniture. So that is what? 600. The next one is what we have to do? Okay, we have to make provision for 5% on doubtful debts. Doubtful debts we have to calculate always on debtors. So we have to take it over here, less provision for doubtful debts at 5%. So 5% of this will come down to how much? 1,000 rupees. So it will be 19,000. It is a expense for a company. So it will come over here. That is what? To provision for doubtful debts. Okay, so that is what? It will come down to how much? 1,000. So clear? This is what we have to solve it. Now very important, we have to go with regards to. Now very important, we have forgotten creditors ka closing balance. Okay, creditors will not come over here. Okay, it is an liability. Clear? Okay, it is an liability. So creditors will come over here. So creditors will come over here, that is what? 4,000. Clear with this, all of you? Now we have to close down this. Okay, once when we close down it, we have to check which is the higher level. This is the higher, that will come down to how much? 65,000. 65,000. 65,000 minus 4,000 will come down to how much? 61,000. So 61,000 will come where it is a capital. We call it as what? Opening balance or opening capital. Opening capital will come on to liability side. Very important. Opening capital, we have got this calculation. So that will come down to how much? 61,000. Clear? Now we have to close down what? We have to close down the debtors account. So debtors account, which is the higher figure we have to check. This is the higher figure. So that will come down to how much? 80,000. So 80,000 is what we have to close down. Now what is the balancing figure? Everything is given, but credit sales is not given. So credit sales will become what? Balancing figure. That is how much it will become as a balancing figure? 65,000. Now credit sales, where it will go? Very important, it will go to trading account. Credit sales, that is what? 65,000. And then we have to add this both and take it to the outer column. Okay, 73,000. Then we have to close down creditors account. Okay, so creditors account we have to close. Which is the higher one? We have to check. That is what? 45,000 is the higher one. 45,000 we have to write on the both the sides and then minus it 41,000. Now over here all the three transactions are given. What is the balancing figure represents as? Credit purchases. So credit purchases, where it will go? It will go onto the trading account, that is calling it as 41,000. So 41,000 plus this we have to make it and write it into the outer column, that is 44,000. Now we have closed almost all these things, that is 65,000. We have to close down this. Now this will be how much? 91,000. So 91,000 and 91,000. 91,000 minus all these things will represent what? Gross profit. So to gross profit carried down, we have to bring it where? To profit and loss account. To gross profit brought down, that is what? 28,000. So we have to check which is the higher side. 28,000 is the higher side. So 28,000, which we have to less from this. Okay, so when we less it, it will come something as 15,400. So that will be what? To net profit. Okay, carried down. This net profit, where it will come? It will come and get added to opening capital. That is what? Net profit. Okay, 15,400. Okay, now it will become 76,400. Now we had left drawings. Drawings should be less. So that is drawings. Okay, we have to less, that is 11,000, and that will come as what? 65,400. Okay, so we have to add this. Adding it up, how much it will get? 70,400. When we add this also, it will be how much? 70,400. When this both the sides are equal, we have to think our problem is correct. Okay, otherwise it is wrong. So this is 15 marks ka full detailed solution. Thank you. Students, please go through this video and let me know what is the difficulty when I am taking a Zoom class. Okay, I want you to go through it. Thank you. Thank you, my dear ones.